More technical skill. Many of us are from the electrical department, but some of us are non-electrical as well. So keeping everyone in mind, we try to make this kit simple, informative and entertaining. This is not just a skill. This is our journey from learning basic control and protection to understanding how HVDC system actually works. So sit back, relax and enjoy the world of high voltage family. Where converter is intelligent, controller is strong, STATCOM is the brain, and protection stands as a constant safeguard.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are still not ready for this.
Hello, I am the rectifier. I convert AC to
I am the inverter. My duty is to convert DC to AC.
I am the controller. My responsibility is to keep every signal stable.
Whether the voltage increases or decreases, my duty is to keep the system voltage stable. I am the king of reactive power, the STATCOM.
I am protection. I protect the system from fault. Excuse me, this is office, not your home. By the way, who are you?
Me, I am an intern.
That means from now onwards you have to be responsible.
What I need to do?
You need to learn, observe and ask questions. But before that, you need to follow some safety rules.
Okay.
Now go and learn basics of control.
Thank you. It's done.
Itni jaldi? Listen, it's not a 2-minute video. You are not here to study for a semester exams. You have to learn how every system works here.
Okay, I will do.
Now, the intern has officially entered the electrical world, and it is the time for the real learning to begin.
Rectifier convert AC to DC. STATCOM stabilize the voltage. And what is going on? So I don't understand it. Guys, honestly, I do not understand anything. Can you help me?
Yes, of course. Come here and listen carefully. I am the rectifier. I receive AC power from source and convert it into DC.
Why you are converting AC into DC? Has AC done something wrong with you?
AC ने कुछ गलत नहीं किया है, but for long distance transmission, DC is better.
Better case in?
See, DC has zero frequency, so in DC losses are less, power control is easy, and it is efficient for long distance transmission.
For long distance.
Yes,
Oh, yeah.
but I am not that much easy. I have two types.
Type? What is that?
First is LCC, line commutation converter. Its switching depends on line frequency of AC system, and for that, thyristor switches are used, which is current control device.
Okay. मतलब सिर्फ इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं हो.
It is used for high power, but थोड़ा बहुत support लेना पड़ता है.
And what about second type?
Second type is VSC, voltage source converter. It's a modern technology that can control both active and reactive power independently. And for that, IGBT switches are used.
IGBT are used. It means this system is independent.
Yeah, it is self-control, fast and flexible.
Okay, let me recall whatever you taught me.
Mhm.
I think like VSC is a smart inter and LCC is a powerful inter. Am I right?
Comparison मत करो, both are important.
Okay.
And when rectifier finishes, my work begins.
Huh? Okay. This time I will understand properly.
See, first the rectifier converts AC to DC. But the problem is homes and industries do not use DC directly.
Why so? DC current to current होता है ना?
No, your fans, lights, ACs, all are designed for AC power. DC is used only in transmission in between.
Oh, so DC is like transmission mode and AC is our destination.
Exactly. So when DC reaches the destination, I convert it back into AC.
Okay, it means so that we can use it at home.
Yes, I make power usable again.
Oh, it means you are the final step of our system.
Yes, I complete the journey.
Okay. So basically, like rectifier send you and you deliver the power again.
This is not delivery, this is power restoration. But we are nothing without the controller.
Yes, I am the most important part. I am the controller. I practically run the entire system. I set the firing angle, I regulate the power flow, and most importantly, I maintain the system stability.
Firing angle. Wait. Does this fire something?
No, calm down. No fires, no alarm. Firing angle is the exact timing at which switches, lights, thyristors, and IGBT get turned on.
Thyristor turned on. Okay. So it is like a volume control, no? More turn, more sound.
Exactly. Better control of firing angle means better control of power, and better control of power means higher stability of the system.
Okay, it means you are basically the brain of the system.
Basically, I am literally the brain.
Okay. Now I learned about controller. I learned about rectifier. I learned about inverter. Now what should I learn?
My turn. I am protection. I protect the system. I detect the fault and I trip the system.
So you are like police.
Not police, the special force.
Okay. I understand each and everything, but I have a little bit doubt. ये fault कैसे आता है?
उसके बारे में मत ही पूछो. वो आता है तो सिस्टम की हालत खराब हो जाती है.
Okay. मतलब without warning you trip the system.
No, listen carefully. I don't trip immediately. First I watch the system.
Watch.
If something goes wrong, I give warning first. I check if it becomes normal again. But if the problem becomes too big, like current too high, voltage too low or high, then I have no choice. I trip the system.
Okay, it means you give first warning, then you will take action.
Yes, small problem, warning. Big problem, trip. Because safety is more important than it.
Okay, safety is the more important thing than anything. That's fine. You look a bit different.
I am Statcom. नाम तो सुना ही होगा.
सुना तो है. But what exactly do you do?
You know that our system is stable and reliable, right?
Yes.
But what if हमारे system में एक जगह fault आ जाए?
Fault.
And that fault transfers to the entire healthy region.
Then what will happen?
Then क्या होगा? Then our system will break down. So for running such a huge grid system, this is where I come into the picture.
Okay.
चलो हम इसे एक simple example से समझते हैं, ठीक है? This is the grid, okay? And this is I, यानी कि Statcom. So if the grid voltage is more than my level, I will absorb the inductive reactive power. But if the grid voltage is lower than my level, I will inject the capacitive reactive power.
Capacitive reactive power. See, I understand each and everything, but I am not able to get what is this reactive power.
Reactive power?
Yes.
Simple. वो कोई काम धंधा नहीं करता है, but it is required to maintain our system voltage stable.
Okay. In simple word, I can say that you are like a gym trainer for the voltage.
Exactly. Now you got it. I keep the voltage smooth, improve the power factor, and maintain the system stability. मैं हूँ voltage का personal trainer. आप समझे?
Yes, got it. Okay. Let me recall whatever I am learning till now. First is the rectifier that convert AC into DC. Then,
Correct.
yes. Then DC has to travel long distance. Then you receive that DC power, then converting it into AC.
Yes.
Okay. And controller control each and everything in between this. And stack to stabilize the voltage in between the transmission line.
Absolutely.
And one is the mode that is the protection. It will protect from the fault.
इंटर सिस्टम समझ लिया। आप देख सिस्टम हिलता कैसे है।
अब आप कौन हो?
मैं हूँ फॉल्ट, ना मैं अटेंडेंस हूँ ना मैं असाइनमेंट, मैं हूँ विनाश। I will increase the current, I will drop the voltage, and I will confuse each one of you.
Bro, I'm not able to deliver the required power to the load because I'm not getting a stable supply from it. What's happening?
Oh, let me check.
Yes, please.
My firing switches are not getting properly. Let me ask to controller. Hey controller, I am facing an issue and my switches are not getting proper firing pulses.
Hey, don't blame me. My signals are perfect, my timings are perfect, but entire control system is unstable. This is beyond control. The power balance is disturbed.
Really? Then what we need to do?
We need voltage support immediately.
अरे यार, मैंने तो कोशिश करी थी। I have injected the reactive power, but अगर voltage फिर भी गिर रहा है तो मैं क्या करूँ इसमें?
What will you do?
I think this must be because of the fault.
Signals are getting distorted.
AC-DC conversion fail हो रहा है. Output quality is degrading. लोड तक पावर सप्लाई नहीं पहुंच रही है.
भाई, voltage collapse हो रहा है।
सिस्टम हैंग हो गया क्या? रिस्टार्ट कर लो।
इंटर सिस्टम रिस्टार्ट करना इतना इजी नहीं, ये विंडोज नहीं ग्रिड है।
Guys, system is getting unstable.
Power flow blocked.
Voltage collapse हो रहा है।
And just like that, the entire system was on the verge of collapse.
कोई है जो हमें बचा सके?
अब कोई नहीं बचा सकता तुम सबको, ना कंट्रोल ना कन्वर्जन। अब होगा टोटल ब्लैकआउट।
जब सिस्टम टूटने लगे, जब वोल्टेज गिरने लगे, जब कंट्रोल फेल हो जाए, तब एक ही मसीहा याद आता है।
जब सिस्टम खतरे में हो तब एक ही नाम याद आता है, प्रोटेक्शन। अरे ये क्या हुआ? DC link failed. Fault detected. I have no choice. Trick the system, trick the system.
System has tripped, which means the protection system has automatically acted to disconnect or isolate a faulty part of the electrical network to prevent further damage. In simple terms, the circuit breakers have opened, the faulty section is isolated from the rest of the system. Power supply stops in that affected area. As a result, the equipment is protected from potential damage.
Now the system is protected.
Control restored.
Power flow normal.
ये सब ठीक कैसे हो गए? तुम कौन हो?
मेरे रहते सिस्टम को कोई हाथ नहीं लगा सकता है।
अच्छा, मैं वापस आऊंगा पुनर्जन्म लेके।
चल चल निकल।
देख तुम्हारे देखो।
Now everything is under control. You are fine.
Yeah, conversion is okay.
Are you okay?
Thank you so much.
I'm also okay.
Fine.
Okay.
ये अभी क्या हुआ? अभी तो मैंने सिस्टम समझना स्टार्ट ही किया था।
Listen, in that you learn conversion.
Yes.
You learned power restoration.
Power restoration.
You learned how to control the system.
Of course.
You learned about voltage stability.
You learned about safety.
Yes.
And you learn how to deal with fault.
From confusion to confidence. These were just 100 days. More to grow, more to learn.
Thank you.